Look at this, 7 p.m. in Jakarta and the Gelora Bung Karno is alive. A sea of red, tens of thousands of fans, shoulder to shoulder, ready for Indonesia versus Bulgaria. This isn't just a match, it's a nation's passion. Welcome to Indonesian football. But let me take you back a few hours to show you how it all started. My journey began at the Duku Atas MRT station. The Jakarta sky had opened up, pouring heavy rain across the city. Yet, as I rode the train towards the Istora Mandiri station, the gloomy weather couldn't dampen the rising anticipation. Stepping out of the station and walking towards the iconic stadium, you could already feel the pulse of the city beating for the national team. We're at Gelora Bung Karno. It's still drizzling, but the rain means nothing. The Indonesian spirit is unmatched. Fans pour in, turning the wet grounds into a red and white festival. This is the heart of the passion. I'm at Plaza Tenggara by the Bung Karno statue. It's a bustling meeting point. Friends huddle under umbrellas, waiting. The community here is beautiful, a shared excitement for the game. This is truly a family event. Kids in jerseys carried by fathers, hands held by mothers, uncles, aunts, entire families. They're here to pass down the love for Timnas to the next generation, rain or shine. Over there, the match day chaos. Fans check tickets, others seek last-minute entry. Even Kalos scalpers are weaving through the crowd. It's a chaotic yet essential part of the football culture here, a testament to the demand. Despite the gray skies, the atmosphere is warm. Chants echo, vendors sell drinks, predictions fly for tonight's FIFA Series final against Bulgaria. The belief in the Garuda squad is unwavering, a powerful force. As afternoon fades, the crowd swells. More supporters arrive, expanding the sea of red. Standing in the rain just to support their country speaks volumes about the Indonesian football spirit. It's a mesmerizing sight. For many, Gelora Bung Karno is a pilgrimage. Every match a new chapter. Tonight they hope coach John Herdman leads them to glory. The rain is minor. The real storm is the passion they'll unleash inside. It's more than a game. Look at these faces. Excitement, tension, immense pride. Sharing meals, taking selfies, everyone united. They are the 12th man for Indonesia, a collective heartbeat driving the team forward, a true spectacle of unity. Afternoon fades, stadium lights pierce the mist, anticipation peaks. Gates open soon, and this crowd is ready. The energy shifts from gathering to battle-ready excitement. The moment is almost here. The ground vibrates with anticipation. Over 24,000 fans are here, but the noise will feel like 100,000. An experience unique to this place. The roar is coming. We're moments from action. Rain cleansed the streets, but not their fiery hearts. Let's move to the gates, witness the final push as supporters enter the arena. The stage is set. The crowd continues to swell, a relentless tide of red. Every face tells a story of hope and unwavering loyalty. The air crackles with an energy that only a football match of this magnitude can generate. It's a collective dream unfolding. From young children experiencing their first big game to seasoned veterans who have seen countless battles at Gelora Bung Karno, everyone is part of this grand tapestry. The shared anticipation is a powerful bond, uniting strangers under one banner. This is more than just support, it's a cultural phenomenon. It's 7 p.m. The rain has stopped, making way for the main event. Gates are open and the influx of fans creates booming queues. The sheer volume of people funneling through checkpoints is staggering. A solid wall of red. Every line is a solid wall of red. Supporters inch through security, voices growing louder. Energy shifts from patient waiting to absolute readiness. They are ready to roar for their country, their team. The moment is here. It's overwhelmingly crowded, yet organized. Thousands flow into the cauldron of Gelora Bung Karno. Tonight, this stadium transforms into an intimidating fortress. The stage is set, Indonesia versus Bulgaria. Let's head inside. Come on, Garuda.